Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Tuesday, February 17th. The euro declined 0.47% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1345 after crisis between Greece and its eurozone creditors escalated, raising concerns that the debt-stricken nation is inching closer towards an exit from the eurozone. In other economic news, the Eurozone's non-seasonally adjusted trade surplus unexpectedly widened to 24.3 billion euros, expanding for the fifth consecutive month in December, against market expectations to drop to a level of 20 billion euros. Separately, the Deutsche Bundesbank, in its lately monthly report, signaled that the German economy could register a stronger growth than current forecasts. Furthermore, it attributed consumer spending as the main factor behind the increasing momentum, adding that the country could also benefit from a weaker euro. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1309 and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1259. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1419 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1480. Trading trends on the euro today are expected to be determined by the ZDW's economic sentiment survey data of the Eurozone and Germany, scheduled in a few hours. The British pound fell 0.30% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5360, reversing its previous session gains. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5327 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5281. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5431 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5488. Going forward, main focus of the traders would be on Britain's consumer prices data, especially after the Bank of England recently hinted at prospect of a fall in domestic consumer prices in the near term. The US dollar weakened 0.17% against the Japanese yen and closed at 118.45, extending its previous session losses. The pair is expected to find support at 118.34 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 118.06. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 118.79 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 118.97. Looking ahead, investors await the Bank of Japan's monetary policy statement, scheduled in the early hours of tomorrow. The Australian dollar traded a tad lower against the US dollar to close at 0.7764. Earlier today, the minutes of the Reserve Bank of Australia from its recent monetary policy meeting indicated that the central bank's policymakers slashed its interest rate to a record low of 2.25% as the Australian economy was not doing well, and also expressed concerns about the continued strength in the nation's housing market. Elsewhere in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the house price index slid 5.1% in January. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7757 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7714. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7827 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7854. Gold prices traded higher by 0.31% against the US dollar at $1232.80 per ounce after talks between Greece and its creditors broke down, thus increasing demand for the safe haven yellow metal. The pair is expected to find support at $1224.30 and the fall through could take it to the next support level of $1220.90. The pair is expected to find first resistance at $1233.90 and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of $1240.10. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.